Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to use find and replace function in Excel. So if you are using Microsoft Excel and now you want to learn how to use find and replace function, so this is very easy. Here I have created this table and this table, okay, and I have misspelled some of the names. Okay, here I have misspelled some of the names, and now I want to change them or replace them. Okay, so for this function, if you go one by one, it will take time. So for this, you can easily just to replace the word together. Okay, so this is for this, you Excel has a function find and replace option. You have to just here you have to just go to find and select option, and then get to here you will see replace option. Just click on it. Now find the name which you want to replace. Okay, as I want to replace Saurabh to Saurabh. Okay, now what you have to do, just click on next, and here you will see replace or replace all, find all. So I want to replace not this, all the Saurabh in my sheet. Okay, so just click on replace all. So here you will see this name is replaced. So like this you can use find and replace function. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.